Hey everybody, I finally got my Lionbrand Shawlnball in. Yay, finally. So I went ahead and ordered Shawlnball when it was like, I think it was 2 something a skein. Lionbrand was doing a promo on it. So I'm here to do a little experiment on my channel, just to see something. But I thought I would open up this Lionbrand box and see, because I can't remember everything I ordered in there, but I'm going to open it up on film. So, scoot you back. Let's see. Open it from right here. So, it looks like I got, this little booklet that has Shawlnball or Lionbrand homespun. Oh, it has patterns maybe? Oh, it just has pictures of cute things. Yep, patterns. So I can't really show those. But look at that. Super cute. Oh, look at these. I can make one for my granddaughter. I don't know which one, but oh, look at these. Super cute. Oh, I like that too. So here they are. What a nice book you get. I definitely like this one here. For sure. Oh, and that's cute too. Yeah. Lionbrand book. I'll take a look at that. All right. Let's see here. So I think what I did, if I remember correctly, which it's been a while. So looks like I got 2 of these mauve. I got 2 of these Mindful Mauve. And a lot of you probably know about Shawlnball, but it's a 4 weight. I never thought this would be a 4 weight. I don't know, maybe because it has, it's like a roving type. I've had problems in the past with these, but I'm going to try it out and see. But look at the color on this. I like this because it's, it's a nice color. Though it looked a little brighter online, and it's, I believe, let's see, what hook do you use? Oh, let's see, a 5mm hook. Yeah, and it's a 4 weight, and machine wash gentle, lay flat to dry, and it is 58% cotton, 39% acrylic. Let's see. I'm trying to see the yardage here. I'm getting there. Oh, 481 yards. That's not bad. So I got a couple of those. And then I got this. So that's the middle of it. Oh, I see. Because it's like inside out. So I have, see how these ones look like a purplish color? It's the same thing. See? Mindful Mauve. So these 2 colors are alike. So that's the inside of that. But this is all the same package. Same colorway. Oh, interesting. Huh, okay. And I really like this color here. This is my favorite, of course. The people that know me know that this is my favorite color. It is Pastel Pixie. Pastel Pixie. Oh my gosh, look at the color on this. I'm gonna open up this one here. I'm sure you all can appreciate this color a little bit, right? Let's open up the top a little bit. So I think I got 3 of these, maybe? Look at that. Look at that. Let's kind of scoot you out a little bit. And this is, I said, now let's upside down. Pastel Pixie. Wow. Now that's some yarny color goodness right there. So the last time I worked with Shawlnball, I had a slight problem with it. Yeah, when you want to frog something, it is not easy. But those are my favorite colors. Oh, I love it. I love the sale they had on them. It was a great deal. Aren't these usually like $7 a skein or something? I don't remember. So there's that. And then this one I was loving too. And this color is Restful Rainbow. And that has got some orange, it's purple. Look at all that. Look at the colors inside that. Super pretty. And 481 yards per skein. That's really good. You can get a lot done with these as long as you don't mess up on it. And I have this habit of messing up on it. So yeah, and looks like I got 3 skeins of those. And let's see here. Oh, one's out of the box. So I got 4. I don't know how I was ordering these, but look at that. Look at those colors inside. Aren't they pretty? Look at those colors. Oh, fabulous, right? Very pretty. And it's all the same on here. It's just different colors. You know, 58% for cotton, 39% acrylic, and a medium 4, which to me doesn't feel like a medium 4. It feels like a 3 to me for some reason. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. This is another color I liked. This is the blue one, and this one's called, I always have these upside down, Healing Teal. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Move you around. Scoot you back. Super cute. I like these colors too. I thought that would make a great shawl, poncho, shawlette. It will be nice. I want to make a rectangle type shawl. And let's see here. And then this one looks different. Oh, it is Healing Teal. Okay, so it's the same thing as that one, only it's weird how some of these are different on the outside. It's like they turn it inside out. So here is the color. So I got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 skeins. Yeah, 4 skeins. That's pretty cool though. I like the way it is on the outside. I might like this better. I don't know. I like that. And then this one here has got to be something I already have. Mystical Mirage. So how did I end up with that one? Okay, so here's Mystical Mirage. I'm just thinking, why did I, I don't know. Pastel. Oh, I see. I got 2 skeins. Oh, I got 3 skeins of Mystical Mirage. Okay. And one's Pastel Pixie. Okay, so this one's Pastel Pixie. Okay, this is Mystical Mirage. I like them both, though. Nice colors. Yeah. Not bad. I think I ended up paying for all this. Let's see. Yeah, so they were $2 a skein. So, yeah, that's not bad at all. Let's see here. 4, 8. Yeah, it was like $30-something. Yeah, not bad. And the shipping was like, I don't remember. It was not very much. It was like 9-something. But yeah, so I don't know how. I have Mystical Mirage, and so I ended up with I don't know how I did that, unless it's a mess up. I'll have to find out. Pastel Pixie. I don't see any Pastel Pixies in here except this one here. This one. Yeah. So I'm not sure how that happened, but whatever. So yeah, those are pretty close together there. Yeah, there's the shades. So there's the shade on that one, and then there's shade on that one. I see a little difference there. Yeah. My eyes with colors here lately are just not going. So Pastel Pixie with the colors there. And then Mystical there. There we go. Yeah, so, okay. That is my little haul from Lionbrand. I haven't done this in a while, so I thought I'd get some yarn and show it on camera. Tell me what you all think about Shawlnball. Like I said, this will be the second time I'm using it, because the first time I used it, it kind of was like, oh, I'm not doing that again, but I'm willing to give her another shot. So I want to get off here, but I want to tell everybody to please be safe, wash your hands, and make sure you're social distancing, 6 feet away from people, and stay home if you're sick. Yeah, so you guys have a blessed day. Bye.